1 Minute Irish Lesson 9.
Welcome to 1 Minute Irish. Is Misha Owen. I'm Owen, your host and teacher, and I'm here to teach you Irish 1 minute at a time. We're going to spend around a minute learning Irish, and in this lesson, we're learning how to ask people how they're feeling. The clock is ticking, so let's get learning. Your 1 minute language lesson starts now. A very important question in any language is, how are you? It's really useful to be able to make conversation like this with your Irish-speaking friends and colleagues. Listen to this phrase in Irish. Conas atá. Listen again. Conas atá. We'll try that one more time. Conas atá. Now, let's learn some answers to this question. To say you're feeling well, you can say Tá mé go maith. Try this again. Tá mé go maith. One more time. And remember to sound like you mean it. Tá mé go maith. To say you're not feeling good at all, you'd say Tá mé go dona. Repeat this again. Tá mé go dona. One more time. Tá mé go dona. But hopefully you'll be feeling fantastic. To say this in Irish, you could say Tá mé go hiontach. Of course, just as in English, there are many ways of saying this, but we'll stick to this one for just now. So try saying great again. Tá mé go hiontach. One more time. Tá mé go hiontach. Okay, let's put this to the test. I'm going to ask how you're feeling. Conas atá. Hopefully your answer was Tá mé go hiontach. Time's up. That's all for this lesson. We really do hope that you've been enjoying these lessons and that you feel you're making progress, even if you're just spending 1 minute each time on your Irish. In fact, it just goes to show what you can achieve in a minute. Don't forget, you can get extra materials for the lessons by visiting our website on www.oneminute.languages.com. We'll be back next time with the last lesson in this series, so in the meantime, Gura maithagad agus slán go fóill.
This is a production of the Radiolingua Network. Find out more at radiolingua.com.